In this video for the Poppins bag, we are going to be showing you how to make or sew this side seam. There's a seam like this on each side, and you're going to be using sashing for that. So you've finished your bag body, front and back. They should be fairly similar. You've trimmed them to the size that is in the pattern. You've marked the very center of each bag body, and you have sewn your handles on according to the pattern instructions. The next thing that you're going to do is you are going to sew sashing to each side of one bag body. So just one of them. And you are going to sew a single strip, the measurements are in your pattern, to the outside of the bag, and the outside of the bag has the handles on it. You are going to sew a folded strip to the inside of the bag. So one edge of that folded strip is finished. So place the single layer of sashing on the outside of the bag, right sides facing. Place the folded sashing strip on the inside of the bag with the raw edges matching the side raw edges of your bag. Now you're going to sew these both on with a 1/4 inch seam, and you're going to sew them on at the same time. So here's the outside and the inside. Now you will do that to both sides of one of your bag bodies. The next step is you want to take your two bag bodies and you want to place them right sides together. So that would be the handle sides are facing each other. Then you are going to take, you've already sewn the sashings to the side. Now when you flip this sashing out on this bag body that you've sewn it to, that seam is finished. Now our next step is to attach this single layer of sashing to the second bag body. So you're just going to fold that out, line it right up with this other bag body, and you're going to stitch that on with a 1/4 inch seam. So it looks like this right here. Now I'm going to take the other bag bodies away. Okay, so now you can see how I've sewn that on. Now this is the inside of the bag. Also, when you're sewing these two bag bodies together, make sure that you've lined up the bottom and the top. And I just use the large clover clips to clip, but you can use pins or whatever. So you've sewn your single layer to the second bag body. When you open it up, and this is now the outside of the bag, that is finished on both sides. The next thing that you want to do, and I'm going to flip this over back to the inside so it's nice and flat, I'm going to fold this inner sashing over. Now remember, the inside has the fold, so that's a finished edge right there. And you will just stitch this on. You'll fold it over and stitch it very close to that folded edge. In the next video, I will show you that folded stitched piece, and then we are going to do the other side, because the other side is just a little bit trickier. That's it.